I think it's arguably some of the most extreme conditions any SSV or UTV will see on the globe. You know, that is what Dakar's about. It's about testing the vehicle, the people, and the equipment to the maximum. You know, we go through the toughest racing conditions. We started with freezing cold, and then we've come up today 25 degrees when we arrived at the bivouac. So temperature changes, then terrain changes from rocks to dunes to open deserts. So they throw everything at us, and it's definitely a challenge not only on the vehicle but also to the crews inside. On rest day we have a complete preventative maintenance schedule. That's also where we use the Motul Lab, really doing a lot on our oil analysis. It helps us lifetime our components. It's a key part of our success. We go into every single component from the chassis to the brakes to the drivetrain. We change out a huge amount of components, suspension components, rebuild all the shock absorbers. Nothing's pretty much left untouched. You know, our electricians go through and check every single connector. It's really, really important. It's super scary sometimes, but without it, you can't win the Dakar. We can't do this without all our partners, you know, and this is, they support us through these crazy adventures, they support our team, and without it, we have no chance really to get to the finish. And it's essential for us to have the best possible products on our vehicle, and we're just lucky to have it.